If you need to upload templates to your Webflow account and use them to design a website, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So follow me. So to get started, you're going to go over and make sure that you're logged in. You're in your dashboard and you can see here it says new site. Now, if it doesn't say new site here because you have existing sites, it'll be up on the top right hand side. Let's go and click on new site, and here you will see template. So you can start with a template. You can import a template straight from here. You have some categories on the top left, so you can choose what sort of template you would like to look for. So let's say, for example, food and drink, and these will be all of the templates within the category. You can see as you put your cursor over each and every one of them, some of them are free, some of them are paid for. You can also filter them out from free and paid. Once you've found a template that you'd like, you can preview the template simply by clicking on preview template, and it'll show you a bunch of dummy information within this template. Now, from here, you can go and click on use this template on the bottom right hand side. You'll also have to add in your site's name, so you can change it from its default. Click on create site on the right hand side, and within a few seconds you will have imported this template into Webflow, and you'll be redirected to the designer, whereas you can customize absolutely everything within the template.